Printable patterns are convenient, but are they easy? Not with my printer, so I'm going to show you guys how I transfer those annoying printable patterns onto wax paper. You'll need wax paper, scissors, a marker or a pen, and a ruler. Wax paper is super see-through, so just lay it over your printed out, taped together pattern and use a ruler to start drawing those lines. I prefer to use a ruler just because it keeps my lines super straight. I also draw on all of my fold lines, any guides, and an identifier, either numbers or letters, so that I can match up my wax paper pattern with the printed pattern. This helps me avoid any confusion when my floor is littered with like 50 pieces of one pattern. Rinse and repeat for every other piece of your pattern. For this tutorial, I'm using on Cosplay's Tifa pattern, which I will put a link to down in the description below. Shout out to Termina Cosplay for turning me on to this awesome pattern. The blueprints for the cosplay of your dreams are ready, no tape needed. Now we take our scissors and cut out the pieces. Start pinning your pattern to your desired fabric like you would with any store-bought pattern and you are ready to go. I usually cut out 2 or 3 copies of each pattern that I transfer onto wax paper. That way I always have a piece if I need it in the future. I hope this was super helpful. Let me know what others you'd like to see, and don't forget to subscribe, pals. Have an awesome day.